Hello, in the following video we're going to be seeing a new feature that Shopify has recently added to the theme editor, and that is being able to rename sections and blocks. So for this we will be using this page as an example, and you can see that there are already a bunch of sections over here. And this bar is starting to get crowded, so it is difficult to scan. Now, let's say that I wanted to quickly change the text over here. I don't know at a glance what this text is about, so maybe I can just rename this to vendor. So now I know right away that this is the vendor instead of trying to guess what that was based on just this vague text label. And the same goes for sections. If I wanted to rename this section to something like gift card product, I can do so like this. And you can see that now I see here gift card product instead of just feature product as before. You can also rename by clicking on these three dots and clicking on rename over here, and the same interface will happen. So gift card product 2, for example, yes, so we rename it again, and you can see that we have this over here, and we also see the rename section here as well. Now, something to keep in mind is that going back to the original name is not currently possible. So if I try deleting this from here, you will expect when I click out of it, maybe I go back to the original name. But as soon as I click out of it, I go back to the name I gave to this section instead of the original name this section has. Or perhaps there is a way to go back to it from the editor and I'm just missing it. In that case, you can leave it down in the comments. And finally, let's see how this looks like in the code. So let's open a new console over here. Let's run Shopify Theme Poll and pass a development flag. And let's inspect index.json. Let's click on yes over here. And if we look, for example, for, let's see, feature product, we can see here that this section has a name property with gift card product 2. And this is what is controlling what shows up over here. So if I change this 2 to be a 3 and save, I can refresh this page and we see a 3 here. So a way to reset the name would be to just remove this property, because if I do, then after refreshing the page, we're going to go back to feature product, which was the original name for this section. And that's it for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe for more Shopify related content, and I will see you all in the next one.